Hey there, ever wondered what is design thinking? Tim Brown says that thinking like a designer can transform the way you develop products, services, processes, and even strategy. It means stepping back from the immediate issue and taking a broader look. It requires systems thinking, realizing that any problem is part of a larger whole and that the solution is likely to require understanding the entire system. Now, to understand the key steps in design thinking: empathy, problem definition, ideation, prototyping, testing, iterating, collaborating, and always keeping the user in mind. Getting into the depths of design thinking, here are the steps involved in implementing design thinking: empathize, understand the user's needs and experiences, define, clearly articulate the problem based on insights, ideate, generate a wide range of creative ideas, prototype, create simple, tangible versions of your ideas, test, evaluate prototypes with users to gather feedback. The first step in the design thinking process is empathize. Learn about the audience. Understand the needs, experiences, and emotions of your users. Observe and interview. Watch users in the environment and conduct interviews to gather deep insights. Listen. Pay close attention to user stories and perspectives. Ask questions. Engage with users to clarify and delve deeper into their experiences and challenges. In design thinking, the define phase involves defining the scope, outline the problem's boundaries and focus areas, identifying patterns and insights, analyze data from the empathize phase to find recurring themes and meaningful insights about user needs, questioning assumptions, challenge preconceived notions to open up new perspectives, framing your point of view, create a clear problem statement from the user's perspective, defining who the user is, their needs, and why these needs matter. This phase sets the foundation for generating innovative, user-centered solutions. The ideate phase involves coming up with solutions, generate a wide range of creative ideas to address the defined problem, experimenting, and test different approaches to see what might work best. Collaborating, work together with team members and stakeholders to leverage diverse perspectives, and brainstorming, engage in free thinking sessions to explore and develop innovative ideas. The prototype phase involves learn from users, create tangible models to understand user reactions and gather insights, define, improve prototypes based on initial user interactions and feedback, gather feedback, collect detailed user input to identify strengths and weaknesses, think big, act small, fail fast, embrace bold ideas, start with small, manageable experiments, and learn quickly from failures. The test phase involves user testing and surveys, conduct assessments and collect user feedback through surveys, evaluate, analyze the effectiveness of prototypes and identify areas for improvement, gather learnings, collect insights and understand user experiences to inform design decisions, iterate and scale, refine prototypes based on feedback and prepare to scale successful solutions. Design thinking involves several key phases. First, empathize with your audience by learning about their needs through observation, interviews, listening, and asking questions. Next, define the problem clearly using these insights. In the ideate phase, generate a wide range of creative ideas through brainstorming, experimentation, and collaboration. Then prototype your ideas, creating tangible models to learn from users, refine based on feedback, and adopt a mindset of thinking big, acting small, and failing fast. Finally, test your prototypes with user testing and surveys, gather learnings, and iterate to improve and scale successful solutions. Stay tuned for the next steps in our design thinking journey.